Ni mutumia wa munini wa President Pastor Dorcus Rigathi icera-ini hamwe na ruhonge rwa kurwa na ndawa cia kurebia rwa Nakada mwena wa gicua-ini kuria thiete na mbere na gutariria ruo rwake ta muciari kuona ati mbeu njithi aingi mathiete na mbere na kurira ndawa-ini cia kurebia.
If you look around and you see the many people who are out there in the streets, people who went to school, others are young people from our universities. Like here, half of the people that I found here are actually university graduates who have not finished, and others have finished, but they've gotten caught up in this drug addiction. And what we are saying, drug addiction is a mental health issue. People are sick. What we need is to treat them and rehabilitate them and put them back in the society.
Pastor Dorcus augite ni ihinda mbeu njithi amanyitwo guoko na njira ya gucokio thukuru thutha wa kurikia kurugwo mitugo riu akiuga ni guthingata thirikari gutigirira ati amu wao nimegukorwo makiamukira githomo gia kothi cia moko.
The biggest problem we are having are the hard drugs, and therefore we are looking into ways of being able to go to them, try to speak to them and to bring them to the rehab and have an end-to-end solution where they come to the rehab, they go for training in their vocational training, and we try to see that those ones who go through that program will also be connected to jobs.
Na riria kuretwo akihura kambeini ya gutetera ihoto cia mwana wa kahi ni atariirie kigiriko giake kuona ati no atumia oika makoragwo makiheo kigina kia NHIF. Riu akiuga ni ihinda ona anake aria morire mutondo-ini yo kugunika na kigina giki niguo kugia na wiganania wa gender.
Right now there is NHIF. So many of them, like when you come here, the women are being given free service. But again now, this is what I'm saying as a boy child champion. How can we give the women and not leave out the young men? So what we intend to do is to see how we can be able to bear the cost of NHIF. We pay for a year and then they can get treated using the NHIF card.
Ihinda-ini riu ni amurikite aria mendagia ndawa icio gwati akiuga ni megucemania na guoko kuhiu kwa watho.
As a mother, I feel it is time that we start to do something differently. We cannot allow people to sell those drugs and kill a generation.
Maya mokite oriri munini wa President Rigathi wa Gachagua ri mihango-ini ya kurwa na njohi thumu gitaro-ini kia Mount Kenya. Hando-ini ha Wega TV, njitagwo Kamau wa Githĩnji.